Hello children, I hope you all are doing well. Children, our topic for today is subtraction. Subtraction means to take away or to give away. That is, if someone takes away something from us or if we give away something to someone. In both the cases, we will be left with lesser number of things. Let us understand subtraction through an example. Let's suppose we have 6 apples with us and someone takes away 4 apples. Then we will be left with only 2 apples. Now, let's look at one more example. Here, the girl on the left has 5 flowers in her hand. If she gives away 2 flowers to her friend, then she will be left with only 3 flowers. Children, the sign that we use for subtraction is the horizontal dash. That is a small sleeping line, which we read as minus. Now, let's learn to subtract numbers by counting forward. Here, the question says 9 minus 4. It means we have to take away 4 from 9. To find the answer, we have to count forward after the smaller number till the bigger number. To find the answer to this question, we have to count forward after 4 till we get 9. To do so, we have to make a fist, and as we count forward, we have to open our fingers one by one. Now, let's count forward after 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have opened our 5 fingers as we counted forward from 4 till 9. So, the answer is 5. We can read this as 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Let's look at another example. Here, the question says 13 minus 10, which means we have to take away 10 from 13. To find the answer, we have to count forward after 10 till we get 13. For that, we have to first make a fist. We have to count forward after 10. 11, 12, and 13. We have opened 3 fingers as we counted after 10 to get 13. So, our answer is 3. We can read this as 13 minus 10 is equal to 3. Here is one more example. It says 19 minus 17. It means we have to take away 17 from 19. To find the answer, we have to count forward after 17 till we get 19. To do so, we have to first make a fist, and now as we count forward After 17, we will open our fingers one by one. Let's start counting. After 17, it's 18 and 19. We have opened our two fingers as we counted forward from 17 to get 19. So, the answer is 2. We can read this as 19 minus 17 is equal to 2. Here is the last example. It says 25 minus 21, which means we have to take away 21 from 25. To find the answer, we have to count forward after the smaller number, that is 21, till the bigger number, that is 25. To do so, we have to first make a fist, and as we count forward, we have to open our fingers one by one. After 21, it is 22, 23, 24 and 25. So, we have opened 4 fingers as we counted after 21 to get 25. Our answer is 4. We can read this as 25 minus 21 is equal to 4. That's all for today, children. I hope you enjoyed the session. Take care, everyone, and bye-bye.